हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले वीडियो में हमने कॉन्वेक्स लेंसेज में इमेज फॉर्मेशन करने शुरू किए थे और हमने देखा था कि जब ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड 2f है तब उसकी इमेज f और 2f में बनती है, रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड डिमिनिश्ड होती है। आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे जब ऑब्जेक्ट 2f पर होता है तो तब उसकी इमेज कैसे फॉर्म होती है और कहाँ पर फॉर्म होती है। हालांकि आप सबको अब पढ़ चुके हैं हम कि इमेज जो है वो 2f पर फॉर्म होगी। लेट अस सी बाय फॉर्मिंग द image of an object placed at 2f in front of a convex lens. By default हम हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट को अपने लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में देखेंगे। तो 1 यूनिट एंड 2 यूनिट्स हम फोकस लेंगे। 3 4 ये हमारा 2f हो गया। कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का रियल फोकस होता है, सो ऑन द राइट साइड 1 यूनिट एंड 2 यूनिट्स फोकस एंड 3 and 4 2f. So let us mark the optical center and the focus in 2f. Optical center f1, 2f1, f2 and 2f2. So now we'll take the object. I'll suggest to take the height of the object to be equal to 1 unit unless until it is provided. So 1 unit is the object length. Mark the arrow showing the object upright. This is object A. As we know, the incident ray going parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus after reflection. So we'll take one light incident ray parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis. It will pass through the focus. So I'll just be making it to pass through the focus. Passing through focus. Mark the incident ray. And also do not forget to mark the refracted ray. Now we'll take another ray of light and we'll pass it through the optical center, because we know that ray of light passing through the optical center always goes undeviated. So the ray of light passing through optical center goes undeviated. The point of intersection of these two rays after refraction will give us the image. And let me mark first the incident ray and then this is the refracted ray. The point of intersection से हम perpendicular axis पर एक perpendicular draw करेंगे. So, and we'll just measure the image also and we see that it is also 1 unit. And we see the arrow has gone down the principal axis, that is the image form is inverted. A dash, B dash is our image. So we'll write the position of image as position of image is at 2L on the other side of the lens, and if the object forms the image by the actual intersection of the refracted rays, the image is real. And as we can see, it has formed an inverted image of the object. So nature of image is real and inverted. And the size of the object, size of the image is the same as the size of the object. So just once again, we will recap. So when the object is kept at 2F in front of the convex lens, then the image is formed on the other side of the convex lens, that is on the screen. So it is the real image. And as we can see through the image, it is inverted also. And the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So in our next video, we will see when the object is placed between 2F and F1, the image, how the image forms beyond 2F.